Oh, damn. Dude, it is coming down. Oh, there's some wires. There's some wires over there. They're hanging, kid. They're hanging. They're hanging down. So you know what that means. Yep, there's no power over here. So I don't know how long this is going to take. Dude, that freight wind is like fucking howling. It's like, ooh. Now, boys and girls, just remember, like, subscribe, and share to the channel. You know what I mean? Help me out, because Lupu definitely doesn't promote our content. But this is content right here of the blizzard of 2026. That snow is like blowing from over there in between the homes. You know, Jesus. I don't know if that's a power cord or if that's foam. I don't know. My cables are fucking good, but of course the fucking power's not anyway. You know what I mean? It's like, oh yeah. Oh, dude, look at this. It's insane. It's starting to get a little chilly in the house, you know, because obviously there's no heat. But you know, it happens. Got to go outside, take a cooler, fill it with a little bit of snow, and put some of the refrigerator in the cooler. You know. Whoa! Shit! It is coming down, dude. Scares a freaking And it's just clearing its throat. It's supposed to get worse later today. It's gonna be like this all day. Like, you know, 70 mile an hour winds over here, kid. It's doing great. Yay! Whoa. Holy shit. I'm trying to hold on to the door, you know. Okay. All right, much love to everybody out there. Be safe. Peace.